Explain the concept of parent-child relationship between game objects in Unity editor. Why and when it might be useful. In Unity, the parent-child relationship between game objects establishes a hierarchy. When a game object becomes a child, it inherits position, rotation, and scale from its parent. This relationship is useful for several reasons. First is organization. It helps to structure the scene in a logical way. Next is complex object, combining multiple game objects into a single functional unit. For example, a car can be parent object and the wheels can be children. Moving the car moves the wheel along with it. Next is relative positioning. Maintain relative distance and orientation between objects. If you want a character's weapon to always to be held in the same relative position in your hand, make the weapon child of the hand object. Simplified control. Always control multiple objects through a single parent object. It simplifies the scripting and animation. It's one of the most powerful features for building clean, functional, and dynamic scene.